Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a bit of a plan with me. This one's going to be a quick one. I have quite a few videos I have to film, but I just wanted to get it done and dusted. Let's have a quick look. Don't mind the truck going past. We are planning from Monday the 17th of February right through till the 23rd. For this one I am using pink date dots, something a little bit different. This is the Boysenberry Swirl Kit and I absolutely love it. Unfortunately I didn't pair any foil with it, but I still love how it turned out. So let's jump on in. I think it's going to be a bit skew-whiff, but we're going to roll with it. So on Monday I always mark Coffee Monday. I don't know why, it's always been a thing. I'm just going to grab myself a drink as well. Sorry guys. And then I had a YouTube binge. I just watch whatever has popped up or something in my watch later list because I have so many things in there. I was watching a couple of things yesterday and I was like, some of them I was kind of like, why are these in here? And then I decided to pull some stickers for some spreads. I actually like pulling stickers sometimes. But I had been pulling stickers and I hadn't realised that I'd actually pulled them already, so I have some stickers that I need to put away into reusable albums now because I don't need them. Then I printed scripts. I usually print scripts anyway, whether it be for what I'm doing now, because as you can see it's all the same font, or just if I need something extra because I ran out of something. I edited a video and then I posted an Instagram post. Just give me 1 second. I don't know what's going on. It seems to be really a bit slow, but anyway, I'm just going to keep yapping, and I feel like if I see the screen move, then I'll talk about what's going on. It's been a really, really long week. Tuesday I got up early, probably to do some order things or listings. I don't think I've written down listings in my planner for a while. I actually do like doing that as well. I did go through and see if there were any listings that I could have, what's the word, like not renewed, but I went through and renewed them anyway, so okay. I decided to do a bit of filming. I'm not sure what it was. Actually, speaking of filming, that is something I'm dying to do right now. I'm actually dying to do like a mini junk journal. I was going through some of my containers. If you guys want to see what's on my planner shelves, then let me know. I've got quite a few containers with bits and bobs in them, and in one of them so sorry guys, in one of them I have like these mini little notebooks. I don't know what size they are, but they're kind of small. And I thought about doing like a small junk journal because I'm not into that at the moment, but I just wanted to do a few bits and pieces, you know, like memories or things like that, or something special that had happened. So I kind of wanted to do that, but we will see how we go. I've still got everything there, but I just want to add, I just need to make a few more things, but I've got so many things on the go. So yeah, that's what I want to be filming at one point. Then I did the Instagram post. Sometimes I will pop down when I put Instagram posts in because I don't really have anything else to mark, but anyway. For dinner, tacos, absolutely beautiful. I love tacos. Well, sometimes. Sometimes I just have this craving for tacos and then I have them and I'm like, oh, okay. I marked down that I had a shower and then I read a book. And I swear every time I say I read a book, I have a pile of books that I need to read, which I haven't done yet. So, and it's kind of sad because they're not in audiobook form, but maybe I will get some done this week. I'm not sure. I actually haven't even thought about it. Anyway, moving on to Wednesday, I designed some kits. Actually, there are a few kits that I want to design now anyway. I think I spoke about it in the last video, but yeah, just some winter type kits. So that's what I want to do there. I ended up having lunch with Mum, I think. I don't know, I just put it in there. It's probably happened on Tuesday. I usually just mark it on Tuesday now anyway. Whether it happened or it didn't, oh well, it's still in there. I also posted to Instagram as well. I've been posting quite a bit to Instagram. Plus, I was kind of mad at myself. I didn't realise I was in a sale on the Etsy website, and I tried to put in my own code, and it just kept coming up with what they had suggested, and I was like, are you serious? This is worth more than what you're offering? Yeah, it's because their code was on there first. So fixed that. So hopefully I'm going to start seeing some sales, hopefully, because we're filming in November. But oh well. Oh, what is that? Another book. I think that was one that was left there. Anyway, where are we up to? We have flown by that. Yeah, so Instagram post, been doing quite a few of those lately. I watched a movie called Run. I have seen that quite a few times because I always watch that. It's just something that I have on. It's kind of like the Gypsy Rose story as what they kind of thought. Some people thought it was based around that, I should have said, sorry. But it's actually not. So anyway, I watched that whilst I was filming. Because that's what I normally do. I'll watch like YouTube and I'll film things and then I'll do a voiceover. And then I had a late night. On Thursday I slept in, obviously, because I had a late night. And that is fine. And then I decided to do some dishes. Again, that's something that I don't really mark, but if I don't really have anything else going on, then I will mark that. And then I posted to Instagram as well. I went outside and did some gardening. I probably need to do that today too, but I'm not going to bother. And then I had a nap. Also, by the way, some of these, oh no, maybe it was the next one. I think I filmed, oh my goodness. I filmed the next kit before this one and I was wearing nails, and the nails, they were getting in the way, things weren't being laid down properly, and I was just like, so, oh well, that's fine. Actually, I don't know if I do like the next week's script, but oh well. So yeah, I had a little bit of trouble. I think I was laying down, yeah, in the scallop box. Anyway, point being, back to Thursday, dinner was schnitzel. I usually have schnitzel on Thursday, not always, but it's a common thing, but yeah. On Friday, it was a sleep-in, and yeah. Did some laundry. That's what I was doing with that scallop box there. And I decided to mark down that I cuddled the cats. That's probably going to be a big thing for most of the year, I would say. Yeah. Again, another Instagram post. I think there's one more on Saturday too, and that will be the last of the week apparently. Had a lovely iced coffee, which I have an iced coffee here as well. Beautiful. And then I did a voiceover, as what I am doing now. Almost finished. Sorry about the squeaky chair, it's just, that's the way it is, and I keep moving, that's why. If I sat still, it would be fine. On Saturday, I had to sleep in. We're not even, oh, we are up to that now. We will be. Anyway, yeah, Saturday sleep in. Those were my days off, so usually my days off I try and sleep in, or I might get up for a couple of hours and then go back to sleep. I don't know. I think I did that today anyway. Oh, that's where my book is meant to be. It's meant to have the book here, but for whatever reason it didn't want to stick. I'll either keep that book there, or I'll get a different one, because it doesn't look like it's going to stick. I might just get a different one because that won't stick. So it was going to be a purple book. I'll have to see if I can find my sheet of things. Sorry guys. So yeah, that book there didn't stay. I was like, where did that come from? Anyway, I'll put one down later. Again, the Instagram post is coming along as well. And then I did some washing, which was the towels. We're not even up to that yet. Anyway, did that as well. I ended up having a YouTube binge as well, and for dinner was nachos. I don't always have nachos, but when I do, it's just the simple kind. I think I've said this before. It's just Doritos, salsa, and then cheese, and just pop it in the microwave. I've never really had one with like mince or anything, because I call them like fancy nachos, because that's just what it is. It's like mince, cheese, sauce, jalapeno, sour cream. I think one time as well, whilst I'm thinking about it, I might have made this like nacho dip or something where it had like jalapeno, sour cream, salsa, and it wasn't too bad, but it was something I saw on TikTok. That's where I get some of my ideas from. We're almost finished, got one more day to go. On Sunday I went for a walk. I'm just putting that down now. I don't often mark when I do exercises or go for walks or whatnot, but I decided today I would. I did a plan with me, and I kind of feel like maybe I should have swapped the boxes around. Maybe plan with me could have gone in a smaller box, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I guess, yeah. I had a coffee as well. I probably had the coffee before I planned, but anyway. Underneath as well, I have written organised, but I don't know what I organised. It could have been my desk, it could have been my stickers, I could have put away some things. My desk does need a little bit of a tidy up, but when doesn't it? It's not too bad. I know where things are, so yeah. And then I ended up playing my game. It's probably like Mafia Wars, as I say, or something. And then I had an early night. Yeah, that's basically the end of this video. We do have a little while to go. What I'm going to share with you next is what I have left. By the way, I do de-stash what I have left, but it's in a de-stash group. If you guys want me to, I can put it down in the VIP group for someone to win. It's up to you. Please make sure you go and join the group so you don't miss out. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed everything in this week. Here is what I have left over. When it wants to switch, there we go. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.